Bless up.
Alright, keep that steady hand, big man. Recording?
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah.
Woo! Ghost Gang Family, what is going on with y'all? Your boys D. I'm coming back at y'all with another video. You dig what I'm saying? Now this video is like probably like 2 days late. Let me see, hold on, let me see. So 3 days late. This video about 3 days late, you feel me? I already recorded this video, as you see by the title, bro. These are the Air Jordan 1 Defiant. I did receive these on Wednesday, but I recorded it when I got home from work that night. But like I said, I recorded it at night. Even though this camera is good and low lighting, I just didn't like it. I didn't feel the energy. I didn't feel the energy coming out the video, you feel me? I'm an energy person. I was like, you know what, man, I'm not gonna edit that shit. And it was like way too long. And it was just dumb. It was just dumb, you feel me? So I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna re-record a video today and I'm gonna do it lit, and it's gonna be lit, you feel me? I'm gonna do a little quick review for y'all real quick, you get what I'm saying? If y'all want to on foot this video get to, let's see, shit, I don't know, 30 likes. If this video reach 30 likes, I will do an on foot video of these Air Jordan Defiant ones, even though I'm a little late. But it is what it is, still getting a review. I don't see too many reviews out there. I always say, bro, don't let the sneaker culture determine what shoe you buy, bro. You feel me? It's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. Don't let these comments be like, oh, this shoe's ugly, this shoe's not good, I wouldn't rock that. Cause I know a lot of these comments, y'all read comments on shoes that's releasing or some shit, and y'all niggas will probably let that deter you away from getting a shoe. Even though deep down you really fuck with the shoe, but you like, nah, I ain't gonna get it cause they saying it's ugly. Bro, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear. If you learn anything from me, bro, rock with that quote. You did what I'm saying? But anyways, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button, man, if you're new to the channel. And also hit that like button, man. Like I said, if y'all want that on foot, bro, let's get this video to 30 likes. But anyways, like I said, bro, I already opened the box, bro. Like I said, I already did a whole ass video on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of upset that I couldn't bring that video to you guys. I still got it in the files. Probably release it later down the road, like some blooper type shit. You know, you got your Air Jordan. You know, we only do official, you feel me? We only do official. You know what I'm saying? We ain't like these other YouTubers buying from third party, you know, websites and shit. We only do official, you know what I mean? Just do it, Nike, you know what I mean? Boom, moment of truth. I'm going to give y'all a little box review. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little rusty at this, but you know, it's a little box review, size 10.5. You know, you got your little barcode. You know, you got your little scan joint on there. Nike OG box. You feel me? Flap, flip that open. You know, so I already took out the shoelaces. Like I said, I did a whole video. I took out the shoelaces and did 2 different shoelaces. Flip that open. Bing. Uno, doce. Rotecimetos malatos. I don't know what the hell I just said, but from any of my Spanish subscribers out there know what I just said, cause I know I said some shit. I just don't know what I just said. These are shoes, Bing, Defiant Air Jordan 1s, you did what I'm saying. And mine is a pen. The reason why I got them, bro, they was shit, man. They fired at me, but I know I just see myself wearing them, you know what I'm saying? If you could see yourself wearing a shoe, bro, go ahead and cop it, bro, like, you know what I mean? Cop what you like, you feel me? Cop what you like. Did y'all guys cop or drop these? Now, my thing is, if you've been following my channel, bro, my thing is, y'all know, like, I like little subtle details like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? The Nike check, you feel me? Both shoes aren't the same. You know what I'm saying? This got a full Nike check on it, on the left shoe, and then it got the ripped Nike check on the other side, right? And then this one on the right shoe, it got it on both sides, the ripped Nike check on both sides. I just like the little stitching, how somebody look like they just said, let me get that shit off that. I need those Nike, like a nigga just stole my Nike checks, you dig what I'm saying? The shoe comes with 2 extra pairs of laces, I mean, so 3 laces in all. I got 1 red and 1 black. Just a cool little shoe, got the red stitching on it. You know what I mean? Red stitching going around the toe box, pretty much around the whole shoe. You know what I mean? And then they got it embroidered. Well, it looks embroidered, you know what I'm saying? Cause they got the red stitching around it. So they're trying to make like this the flight symbol pop. I think is a good detail to it. You know, you got your red soles on the inside of the shoe. I mean, I said red soles. I said red, so I don't know, I was just thinking red for some fucking reason. But got your yellow soles with the Nike in the side, 10.5 mark. And then on the toe, you know, you got your Nike Air. Let me see if I can focus. Then you got your Nike Air. All in all, bro, it's a dope shoe in my opinion, dog. Like I said, bro, don't let anybody turn you away from, you know, copping the shoe. Let me know in the comment section, did you guys cop or drop the shoe? I have more videos on the way that I haven't even edited. I supposed to have been got them shits off, but it's just, every time I get off work, bro, I be exhausted, dog. I don't be feeling like doing nothing but taking a nap, waking up, playing Fortnite. Let me know, man, in the comment section, is this an L or a W? 30 likes and I will do it on foot for y'all, boy. 30 likes in the comment section, you feel me? The OG silhouette. These are the Air Jordan 1 Defiant ones, man. I fucks with these, dog. These bitches is hard. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna have a fire ass IG pic with these on, nigga. You dig what I'm saying? Like I said, bro, it just these Nike checks just I fuck with. Like, I like that. I like this shit. You feel me? I love that about the shoe. It's just a fucked up Nike check. Like, you feel me? Like a nigga really just ripped that shit off the shoe. I like it. I like it. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you smash that subscribe button if you're new. It is the one and only MajorKixx, aka the guy with the waves, aka the tall guy in the LA hat, you dig? Don't forget, man, you matter too, you dig what I'm saying?
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.